And welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to link Proton Mail and simple login together for best privacy. Now the thing is that Proton acquired simple login, so the integration is now seamless. The easier way to link them is by logging into simple login using your Proton account and enabling the connection in your Proton Mail settings. This gives you a unified experience. Now the recommended way for new and existing users is to get a unified account, and you manage it directly by going to simple login, which is this simple login website, and then you're going to sign in. If you have a Proton account, click sign in and then select sign in with Proton. This will redirect you to Proton secure login page, where you enter your Proton Mail's credential, and this instantly links to two services under your Proton account. But if you don't have a simple login account yet, after clicking sign in with Proton, your new simple login account will be automatically created and linked using your Proton account details. Let me show you. So from this, you tap on the three line at the top left, tap on sign up. This is for those that have not created the account. You can see I'm already logged in because I have a simple login account, so it did it instantly for me. So don't forget, you have to upgrade to a paid version. You can see I'm using the free version, which means I only get 10 aliases and 1 mailbox. But if you use the simple login premium, you can see what you get, Proton Unlimited, and that's it. So once you've done this, you are in. You are in. If you already have a standalone simple login account with different email, you can merge it to your Proton account by logging into your existing account using your old credentials like your email and password. Then in the simple login dashboard, find the settings section. This is the settings section. Tap on it, and then once you're here, you can see I'm on free plan. You can see my profile, aliases, database monitoring, senders address, format. This is for one click on subscribe. So you can import, you can export alias and batch import. So I don't have actually a previous one, and I'm using I've been automatically linked. That's why you don't see the option here. But if you have not been automatically linked, you have to do it yourself by, like I said, you go here, then you click on settings, you look for an option labeled link to Proton or migrate to Proton. There should be that, but it's not here because I'm already linked to Proton. So then you follow the prompts. You guide through a process to connect your existing simple login account to your Proton account. This will effectively merge them and use your Proton credentials to log into both services from then on. I already did that earlier. I didn't do it myself, so I done it automatically. Once you are linked, you can now manage simple login directly from your Proton Mail settings. You can use your Proton subscription if you have a paid plan to unlock premium like simple login features like unlimited aliases and custom domains. You enjoy a simple login for both services, enhancing both security and convenience. Linking is optional but highly recommended for unified privacy experience. You can still use simple login as a completely separate service with a different email address if you prefer.